Oh, here we go, guys.
Bring the user.
We are presenting.
She's looking for the
Okay,
lyrics.
Kavita. Okay.
Meanwhile, you feeling
No, just like.
She will.
All right,
looking for the songs.
looking. So you're gonna be ready next.
Songs, yeah.
Marcela, you're next. Marcela, you're next.
I don't want to do it.
Here you go. Here we go. So all the kids can dance with you too, guys. Guys, Marcela.
He is the best.
So Marcela is okay. Before I explain, Marcela is how great of a dancer she is. Let her explain. Marcela, tell me about yourself. Tell us about yourself. I know about you. So.
Okay, I'm from Mexico.
Oh.
I've been in Vegas since 10 years ago. And I love to dance, and I also love outdoor activities.
Hey guys, how many folks like to drink? Like a drink?
Wait, what'd you say?
Drink. Not you kids.
Root beer.
Like how many? So good. Hands. So how many folks like to drink? Like alcohol. Alcohol, right? Okay.
I'm like, we all should drink.
Okay. So obviously we feel like having a drink actually frees us up and makes us more social, right? So with Marcela, what I found is actually the dance makes her. Yes. And I saw it, and I like the feeling. And she's the second girl I met in my life who has that. So today she's gonna show us some moves.
Don't get drunk. Yeah, I won't get drunk, I promise.
Okay, some moves from whatever. Tell us what you're doing, okay? Tango or whatever.
No.
And show us. Do you need music, by the way?
No, we're gonna sing.
Okay, sing. Okay.
Oh, we're gonna dance La Macarena.
Oh.
Okie dokie with the kids. Okay.
Cuerpo para darle alegría y cosa buena. Dale a tu cuerpo alegría, Macarena. Macarena.
Nice.
Nice. So does the kids have any talents that they want to show us? Like each of the kids, can you make them do something for the crowd?
Ezra is really good at growling.
Yeah, you can do dinosaurs.
Okay. Sweet boy.
Ezra, haz como dinosaurios.
Oh. What is a?
Y luego
Yeah.
Camínale. Yeah.
Yay. What about the little girl? What do you like to show us? What's your talent?
Te pongo música del pirata y la bailas. She's gonna dance.
Okay, dance. Oh my gosh. Give her a clap, guys. Give her a clap. Give her a clap. She's gonna do this.
Nice.
Let me look for her song.
Okay, dokie. I see myself as a kid, except that I did this in schools and colleges. Okay. And the next will be Kavita, by the way. She's a famous YouTube blogger. Crazy famous. She's gonna make us famous too, so. Alright, here we go. Okay, right?
Oh, nice.
Okay. Okie dokie. Yes.
Yay.
Oh, look at that guy.
Right. Oh.
Ah. Just like Mama.
Para allá. Cuidado con el fuego. Muy bien. Baila pues. Ese cansó. He's tired. Thank you. That's good.
Okay. Here we go. Good job. Claps, guys. Claps for the kids. All right, guys. The next gonna be Kavita here.